PEPID, tutorials for phones and tablets, searching and navigating content. PEPID's vast medical and drug content is optimized for speed of access and to-the-point content. To view the full table of contents for your PEPID suite, select the Contents icon from the homepage. Here you can quickly drill down from general topics to specific ones. Alternatively, the fastest way to find the content is within PEPID Smart Search.
PEPID Smart Search helps you find the content you're looking for faster. It even fixes typos and varying search term orders. It is included in all suites on all devices and in PEPID Connect. In the Emergency Medicine suite, let's search for skin cancer, but I'm in a hurry, so I'll make a major typo. PEPID Smart Search still returned results for skin cancer. It will also find the condition you're searching for, even if the first word you enter isn't the first word in its name, or it has a prefix. Say you want information on dysbaric osteonecrosis. Our search has produced all the terms with the word necrosis in them, even when necrosis is the second or third word, or preceded by osteo, helping you save time in the most critical of moments.
Let's search for mitral regurgitation and select it from the list of results. There's a quick link subsection menu that opens immediately on the left that gives you the option to jump to specific sections. Alternatively, you can click on the content on the right side of the screen and start scrolling from the top of the page. When scrolling through content, you will see blue link text. This text takes you to that content within PEPID. Selecting View Image or View Video, for example, will open the relevant image or video. Selecting blue link dosing information will open the dosing calculator. Open the quick links by selecting the menu icon and tapping ICD-10 codes. This takes you to associated codes for the current content. Quickly finding ICD-10 codes can assist you with diagnosing and billing purposes.